Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, cloth seat trim, body color door handles, tinted glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.